Welcome! In this lecture, we will try to understand what shear stress is. But before that, let us understand some key words. First, what does the word shear mean? The word shear, in simple words, means to cut or make something slide, causing one layer to move over the other. Remember when cutting paper with scissors, one blade moves over the other. Or in a deck of cards, when slightly pushed from the top, one card slides over the other. Or the relative sliding between layers inside a material. That is what shear means, to cut and make it slide. Now, what does stress mean in physics? Stress is the internal force per unit area inside the material. Remember, it acts inside the material, not just on the surface. Think of stress as the intensity of force, how hard each small piece of the material is being pushed or pulled. For example, standing on soft sand doesn't hurt us, while standing on a nail can pierce through the skin, even though our weight is the same. Why is that? It is because, when standing on sand, the contact area between our foot and sand is large, which creates very low stress. But with a nail, the contact area is tiny, creating very high stress. So remember, stress is the intensity of force, and it acts inside the material. And large contact area means less stress, and tiny contact area means high stress. Now let us understand the word tangential. Tangential means along the surface or parallel to the surface. When you push straight into a wall, you're applying a perpendicular force. It is also called a normal force. But if you rub your hand along the wall, you're applying force parallel to the wall. That's a tangential force. So remember, normal means moving perpendicular to the surface, and tangential means moving along or parallel to the surface, not into it. For more such intuitive videos, press like button, comment, and subscribe to Intuition.